The first step to making money as a teenager is starting your own small business. This could be anything from offering a service like lawn mowing or pet sitting to selling handmade crafts or baked goods. Tap into your skills and interests to identify a business idea that excites you. By providing value to others, you can earn money while doing something you love. Next, let's talk about freelance work. As a teenager, you have unique talents and abilities that are in demand. Consider freelancing in areas like graphic design, writing, social media management, or tutoring. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr provide platforms where you can showcase your skills and connect with clients who are willing to pay for your services. Another way to make money is by taking on part-time jobs. Look for local opportunities in your community, such as working at a retail store, restaurant, or babysitting. Part-time jobs not only provide a steady income, but also help you develop valuable skills like time management, customer service, and teamwork. Don't underestimate the power of the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, or TaskRabbit offer flexible opportunities for teenagers to earn money. If you have access to a car and a valid driver's license, driving for a rideshare service can be a lucrative option. Alternatively, you can complete various tasks and errands for people in your community through platforms like TaskRabbit. Let's not forget about the power of the internet. Creating content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok can not only be a fun, creative outlet, but also a source of income. If you have a passion for creating videos or entertaining others, consider building a following and monetizing your content through ads, brand partnerships, or sponsorships. Next, explore opportunities for paid internships or apprenticeships. These positions allow you to gain valuable work experience in industries you're interested in while earning money. Reach out to local businesses, organizations, or your school's career center to inquire about available internship or apprenticeship programs. Getting involved in the sharing economy can also be a great way to make money as a teenager. Consider renting out items you own, such as cameras, sports equipment, or musical instruments, through platforms like Fat Llama or Rent Not Buy. By utilizing the sharing economy, you can turn your underutilized possessions into a source of income. Another option to explore is participating in online surveys or market research studies. While these opportunities may not make you rich, they can provide a little extra income for your time. Look for reputable survey websites or market research companies that offer compensation for your opinions and feedback. Consider leveraging your skills in the digital world by offering online tutoring or teaching services. If you excel in certain subjects or have a talent you can teach, platforms like tutor.com or Teachable allow you to connect with students from around the world and earn money by sharing your knowledge. Last but not least, explore opportunities to sell items online. Clean out your closet and sell gently used clothing, accessories, or electronics on platforms like eBay, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace. This not only helps declutter your space, but also puts extra money in your pocket.